I hope students you are all fine. Now open your smart mathematics books. We are going to start our first chapter. Now open your books. Our first chapter topic is our first chapter is the number system, and our topic is place value. Before starting about talking about place value, some smart vocabulary words for you. The first word is place value. PLACE, place. VALUE, value. Second one, value. Numeral. NUMERAL, numeral. Digit. DIGIT, digit. Number. NUMBER, number. Ones. ONES, ones. TENS, tens. Hundreds. HUNDREDS, hundreds. Thousand. THOUSANDS, thousands. TEN, 10,000. THOUSANDS, thousands. Now come on our topic is place value. When we are starting our numbers from 1 to 3, these are the single numbers. Then we point out the place value is ones, and we are using in this book ones instead of unit. You can study about it as a unit. You can represent is at a unit, but now you are in class 3, so it can be modified into ones. But unit and ones are the same thing, but in book we use ones with O. Okay, students, when we are writing our counting from 1 to 9, these are all ones. But when the 9, after 9 it comes to other number, it converts into two number, like tens. Now we can represent 10. 0 is ones and 1 is tens. Now it converts into a bigger value. It becomes tens. Then we write it 11, 12, 31, like 44. These are all ones and tens. These are all belongs to ones and tens. But when we come on 99, it becomes ones and tens, and then next number is 100. Now our numbers converts into ones, tens and 100. Now the number value, the place value of 1 is 100. Now the number is greater than tens. Then we start our counting from 101, like 112. Then we come on like this, 999. Ones, tens and 100. Then we come across on thousands. We separate thousand with comma. Here it becomes on like 1000. We write here 100, tens, ones. Then it means get ones, tens, 100. Then it become on 1000. After 999 we come across on 1000. Then value of place value of 1 is bigger than 999. Then we start our counting of thousands. 100, 1000, 111, 1231, then so on. When we come across on, then our counting will be converting into 3400, like something, and 5600. Then we are going towards, and then we come on the point 9999, and after then we come across on 10,000. Now we are starting dealing with our greater number than 1000 is 10,000. It's ones, tens, 100, 1000, and it is 10,000. And we can differentiate 10,000 and 1000 with comma. Here are some examples for you on your book. Open the page number 1. Now you can see that here the numbers 1 on the place value is 2, the 10 on 6 is the place value of 10, and the number 9 on the place value of 100, and 5 on the place value of 1000, and 8 on the place value of 10,000. You can see that we have right about the place value of digit 2. The place value of digit 2 is 1. We can use the word value. It's mean that how we can represent in expand form. We can, so the value of digit of ones is only 2, but the 6 in the place value of tens, then we can write the value of 6 equals to 60, because 6 tens equals to 60, and the place value of 9 is 100. Then we express its value in expand form is 900. 9 1 and 2 with 2 zeros, and then the place value of 5 is 1000. Then the value of digit in expand form, we write this 5, then comma, and then we write 3 zeros. Then the 8 is on our 10,000 is place value. Then the value of 8,000 expanded form is 80,000, like this, 8 0 comma, and then you put 3 zeros. Okay, some questions for you. I am using my notebook. Here I am using my notebook because all the questions on my book are solved. So I make some questions of relative questions, and I represent their page number also. Then it is not difficult for you. I am showing the examples. I am doing these questions for you. Then other questions are given for homework. Then homework can I mention on the at the end of my lecture. Okay, on page number 1, our question number 1 is, write the number does each abacus represent. Here is an abacus. Abacus is an instrument which used in our ancient times to count the numbers. Oh, here is the abacus. Then we count how many circles are in ones, how many circles are in tens, how many circles are at hundreds, and how many circles are in thousand, and how many circles are 10,000. Then we write in our digits here, like there are 1 and 2 circles. Then we write like 2, like this. Then tens are 1 2 3 4 circles. Then we write like this. 1 on 100, 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 numbers. Then we write 6 under 100. Then there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. There are 9 on there are 9 circles on 1000. Then we put to separate 1000, like put on comma. On 10,000 is 1 2 and 3. There are 3 circles. Okay, open the on your page 2. What is the value of digits in 15,947? Okay, you can pay attention to the question. We can represent its value. It's mean that we have to write each and every number in expanded form. But first of all, we write their place values, like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, 7 on ones. Then first of all, we write like this, ones, or we can represent in expand form, but like this. 4 on tens. Then first of all, we write its place value tens, or 4 tens equals to 40. 9 on place value of 100, we write like this. 100, or 900 equals to 900. We can write in expand form like this. Okay, 5 place value is 1000. Then you write the spelling of 1000, THOUSAND, 1000, or we can represent its 5 comma, then put 3 zeros. Then then the one place value is 10,000. Then you write 10,000 like this. Or we can represent like this.